Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we discuss trigonometric ratio. Question 1, okay, we look at the picture. We have two right angle triangles, so we need to calculate H, and number 2, we need to find the value of X. Okay, to find H, the possible way is to use the first right angle triangle with there is 30 degree in the first right angle triangle. So we need to know where is the opposite side, where the adjacent side, and it's also the hypotenuse side. So we know, after we know, we put it into equation. So sine 30 degree is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite here is 5 meter and the hypotenuse is 3h. Okay, that we want to find h, so I always tell my student to put h at the left side. So 3h times sine 30 degree is equal to 5. 3h is equals to 5 over sine 30 degree. So h is equal to 10 over 3. Okay, you just leave the answer like that. Okay, it's okay because we can write down answer in fraction or in decimal, but in decimal is not in accurate. So for this question, so we just left it with 10 over 3. Okay, now we need to find the value of x. So of course we need to use the second right angle triangle because there is angle x there. Okay, I'm going to erase everything. Okay, so first and foremost, know where is your opposite, where is your adjacent, and where is your hypotenuse. So when the angle x is there, so the opposite side is at h, and adjacent is at a to d, and hypotenuse is at a to e. So write down in equation tangent x. Okay, I use tangent because h is at opposite and I have a value at adjacent, so it's proper to use tangent. So tangent x equals to opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is h and adjacent is 10. So tangent x is equal to 1 over 3. So to find x, I need to bring tangent, inverse tangent to the right. So it becomes tangent inverse x degree equals to tangent inverse 1 over 3. So you just push find in your calculator. The answer is 18.43 degree. Okay, question 2, we have two ship and a lighthouse on tebing. So put on the information first. C to D is 80 meter and find the value of angle theta. So there is angle theta. So to find angle theta, we might need to have BC, AB, or AC. So BC, no problem, we can find it right away. So 120 minus 80, and you will get 40 meter. Okay, 40 meter is at BC. So put it on the diagram. Okay, and next, to find theta, I need to get either one, AB or AC, right? So let's see which one is more proper. Okay, AB, I can find AB. So I just need to find AB first. Can you see the bigger right angle triangle there? Yes, we have two values, two lengths. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so I draw again so that I can see clearer. So Pythagoras theorem is c squared equals to a squared plus b squared. So where is c? C must be the longest one. Okay, and the slanting. Okay, A and B, you can put either one. So C is 130 degree. 130 squared. AB squared plus 120 squared. Okay, so AB squared is equals to 130 squared minus 120 squared. To get AB, must square root 130 squared minus 120 squared, which is 2500. So you get the answer AB for 50 meter. So is it now adequate for us to find angle theta? Yes, we need two value, then we can find the theta. So okay, examine your diagram, right angle triangle, which one is adjacent, which one is opposite. Then you know you can use TOA. Okay, opposite over adjacent. So tangent theta is equal to 50 over 40. So theta is inverse tangent 50 over 40 is equal to 51.34 degree. Okay, question 3, we have two right angle triangle. Okay, we have cos x equals to 3 over 5. So x is at the small right angle triangle. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is at QP. Opposite is at QS. And hypotenuse is at PS. Okay, then put in equation cos x equals to 3 over 5. So 3 is adjacent QP. 5 is 10 hypotenuse. So to get 10, 5 times 2. So the upper side 3 times 2 is equal to QP. So QP is equal to 6. So there is our QP, 6. Then we need to find sin y. Why we find QP? Because we need to know RQ. So automatically we can know RQ when we get QP. So RQ equals to 21 cm minus 6 cm. So we have there is 15 cm. Okay. Now can we find sin y? Not yet. We need to find another value. Okay, another one more value. Okay. So sin y equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So write down where is your opposite. Okay, opposite is at RQ, adjacent at QS, and RS is hypotenuse. So can we find hypotenuse? Yes, but we need to find adjacent first. So let's draw the small right angle triangle. We have 6 and 10. So the spatial ratio 3, 4, 5. Okay, so at 4 we need to multiply with 2. We get 8. So QS is equal to 8. So sin y, can we find sin y? Not yet. That is adjacent. We need to find hypotenuse. So to find hypotenuse, we need to do another Pythagoras theorem. So I draw again. Opposite is RQ is 15, QS is 8. So RS is 15 squared plus 8. You must square root everything. Okay. Don't forget to put bracket when you calculate using your calculator. So now we get RS is equal to 17 cm. Okay. So now we have opposite, we have hypotenuse. So we can find sin y equals to 15 over 17.